Hello everybody, this is a quick unboxing video of FMEC4, which is our new carbon fibre engine cover for Abarth 500, 595 and 695. So let's open it up and have a look. There's a lot of pressure opening a box on camera. Okay. Knife safety, put your blade away. You might have noticed lately we've moved away from our foam packaging to scrunched up cardboard. We're working towards a Forge going green. You can check out our series of that on some of our other social medias. But here you go. Here is the FMEC4. It comes in a nice microfiber bag, which you can also use for cleaning the product after you've installed it. And then here is the engine cover. Plug past the parcel. Lots of layers of protection. And here you go. So it's a nice carbon fibre engine cover. You can see that we took inspiration from the OEM engine cover, and actually it's this size because it only fits with our induction kit. With the Forge Motorsport induction kit for the Abarths, you have to remove the engine bay, so you get the nice aesthetic of the carbon of the induction kit. However, you then end up seeing all of the bare engine. So we have found a solution to that problem by making this nice engine cover. It comes with a solid aluminium bracket, which is for your mounting points, and it also has everything else in the kit to be able, let me pop this down quickly, to install it easily. It fits really nicely alongside the engine cover, which I actually have the carbon canister from the induction kit, here. So you can see the carbon goes well together. We pattern matched the direction of the weave to make sure that it looked nice aesthetically in your engine bay. There you go. So our nice new release for the 595, 500 and 695 Abarth. So as I keep saying, this is a very nice bit of kit, carbon fibre engine cover for your 500, 595 and 695 Abarth. It only fits with our induction kit. If you want to get your hands on one and you want to know how to fit it, we have a step-by-step installation guide on the website listing and on our YouTube channel. So head over to Forge Motorsport website.co.uk or .com or one of our lovely distributors and search for the part number FMEC4. Be sure to get your hands on one and check it out. Thank you very much.